Hello guys, welcome back to Unocoin's YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss something that people often get confused with. Cold wallets and hot wallets. Sounds confusing, right? But don't you worry. In this video, we'll explain the concepts of hot wallet and cold wallets in a comparative manner so that you can choose the one that suits you the best. So crypto wallets store private keys, the passwords that give you access to your cryptocurrencies. It's quite easy to distinguish one type from another. In simple words, all wallets that are connected to the internet are considered hot wallets. Likewise, all wallets that are kept offline are considered to be cold wallets. As such, hot wallets are perfectly convenient for everyday use if you are a regular trader, and it comes in the form of easily accessible software. Since the hot wallets are connected to the internet, there is a high risk of hacking or phishing. So a user must stay highly cautious. Therefore, if you hold a large number of cryptocurrencies, it is recommended to place your holdings into a cold wallet. The only chance of risk here is that you might misplace your seed phrase or you just might forget it. However, as long as you take precautions, your online identity and cryptocurrencies that you have should remain intact. Keeping your crypto holding secure is the primary thing to do. You can also watch our video on how to store your crypto in a secured manner from the link on the top left corner. Or for more information, visit our blog from the link in the description below. Do not forget to like and subscribe to Unocoin's channel, guys. See you in the next video.